Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Peter. Today I have got a powerful Excel formula that will take your skills to the next level. We are solving a real world problem, and that is how to dynamically find the latest sales amount for a specific product and salesperson. And we're going to be using this table. The first column, which is column A, has dates in it. The second column has products in it. The third column, which is column C, has salesperson in it. And the last column is for sales amount. So we are going to be looking up the product and salesperson. And we are going to be using MAXIF functions and XLOOKUP. We're going to be using them together to bring out the latest sales amount for these two criteria for product and salesperson. As you can see, we have repeated names here, and we have repeated products, and we have dates. So what we are trying to get here is to get the latest sales amount for the product and salesperson. All right, so let's start. Let's first use our maxifs function. Then we use the maxif function. We use it with VLOOKUP. Then we later, at the end of the day, we'll nest them together or combine the two functions together to achieve our aim. So now we want to retrieve the latest date based on these two conditions. All right, so max ifs. So the max range, this is our max range. Select this, comma, our criteria range 1. The criteria range 1 is what? Products. So we are selecting the product range, comma, these are our products. We are looking for product A, comma. So our criteria range 2 is the salesperson. So, comma, inside our salesperson, we are looking for John, right? John Doe. So let's close it. Let's press enter. So for product A and John Doe, the latest date is 25th of January 2024. 25th of January 2024. That's the latest date there. So this is it. Let's give it this color. So this is it. 25th of January 2024. So that's for, so that can't be true because we are using product A and John Doe. Product A and John Doe. For product A and John Doe, the last product A and John Doe. Do we have product A and John Doe here? Product A. Yeah, we have product A and John Doe. This is the 25th. Let's give it a color. 25th of January 2024. All right. So the next one is let's use this date that we have retrieved. Let's use it with XLOOKUP. All right. So XLOOKUP, enter the retrieved date as our lookup value. We are looking for it inside this date range, date column, comma, and we are returning. What are we returning? We are not okay. We are returning. We want to see the sales amount. This is sales amount. This is the sales amount, comma, this is sales amount. This is the sales amount. So if not found, what do we want to see? We want to see not found. If this date doesn't exist on this table, so we want to see not found, comma. So search for exact match. Put 0 there for exact match. So we want to search from last to first. I want to search the most recent one, last to first. So we put this one there, which is -1. Cover it, press enter. So that is 508. So using this one now, this date, the most recent of these dates on this table is 508. The most recent sales amount based on this date is 508. So let's look for it. 25th of January. 25th of January. So this 25th of January. But it's giving us, it's for product C and John Doe. So that means something is wrong. Actually, it's giving us the most recent based on this date. All right. The most recent based on that date. So the next one is want to nest the MAXIFS and XLOOKUP together. So to achieve that, let's first enter our XLOOKUP function. So what's going to serve as our lookup array? That's going to be the MAXIFS. So our max range is, looking for this date, comma. So products, colon, comma. So criteria 1, which is our product A, comma, select the salesperson, colon, comma, and John Doe is our salesperson. So that is it. Cover it up, comma. So this one is going to retrieve, the date. So you can see it's going to retrieve the date. So the next one is the lookup array. After retrieving the date, which is this, after retrieving it, the next thing to do is to look for our lookup array where the date is going to pick from. It's picking from here. So this is our lookup array, comma. So we want to return sales amount. So this is the sales amount that we want to return, comma. So if not found, if this date is not available here, we want to say not found, comma. So we're looking for exact match, comma, and we want to search from last to first. Close it, enter. So it's 508. But we're having issue here. The issue is that our product is product A, and our salesperson is John Doe. So product A is product A, John Doe. So this is supposed to return 209, not 508. I don't know what is happening there. So let's use this one. So can you see? So this is supposed to end with 1, actually. Also, this one also supposed to end with 1. So that is how to dynamically find the latest sales amount for a specific product and salesperson in a table, in an Excel table. So thank you for watching my video. I expect you to subscribe to my channel, like this video. You can also share it with your friends. If you have any question for me, please drop it in the comment section. My name is Peter, and I'm going to see you next time.